I want to show you a trick on how to cut a bolt so that when you put the nut back on, you're not going to cross thread it. I've used this trick for years and it saved me a lot of headache. So we've all been here where we need a shorter bolt. So we've just decided to go after it, cutting it off with a cutoff wheel. After you've cut it off, you've tried to chamfer the edge as best you can. And then when you go to put the nut on, 1 out of 10 times you just can't get it on. It cross threads. This is painful. You usually have to cut it off some more, chamfer it a little bit more, maybe even get a die out to fix it. The way you should approach this situation, and I've done it for years, is always put a nut on the bolt before you cut it. And what this does is allows you to be able to chase that thread after you've cut it when you back off the nut. And this works every time. And in this video you can see that when I go to cut it, I'm not really particularly worrying about how well I cut it off. I don't really chamfer it very well. And then when I back off the nut, it chases the thread so that you can easily basically thread the nut on and off without any effort. Even if this works when you need to chamfer a nut, or excuse me, a bolt, because you can basically just put the bolt on, grind a chamfer on it, basically then chase the nut off so the threads are in the right position. You can see in this close-up that I didn't even chamfer the bolt very well, but you can easily put the nut back onto the bolt, thread it on without any effort whatsoever. Thanks for the time. Be sure to subscribe, comment, share. I do a lot of things in the fabrication space. Thank you.